This morning we are going to study modals. The very first question, what is a modal? Simple answer, modal is a verb. And then we should study modals in the reference of a verb. A verb can be divided into two sections. The very first one, main verb, and the next one, helping verb. And a main verb can also be divided into two sections. The very first one, a finite verb, and the next, infinite verb. What is a finite verb? A verb which is controlled by the number and person of the subject is called a finite verb. For example, I go, she goes, and they go. Go having different forms according to the number and person of the subject. It means this is a finite verb. Then infinite verb. What is an infinite verb? The simple answer, the verb which is not controlled by the number and person of the subject is called an infinite verb. For example, I like to read, she likes to read, and they like to read. To read is the same here, having different numbers and persons of the subject. It means to read is an infinitive, I mean to say an infinite verb. And it's time to touch the helping verbs. The total helping verbs in English are 24, and all these 24 helping verbs can be divided into two groups. The very first one primary and the next one modals. Total primary helping verbs are 11, and all these 11 primary helping verbs can be divided into three groups, three families. The very first and big one is be, having 5 forms: is, are, am in present, and was a word in past. Second, do consists of 3 forms: do and does in present, while did in past. And third one, have consists of 3 forms: has and have in present, while had in past. Now it's time to touch the modals, the glaring issue of the day. We have to discuss the basics of modals. Therefore, we should always remember a modal is always used in present tense. It means a modal is always followed by the first form of a verb. The next, not. A modal can be used in all 3 types of sentences. I can teach, she can't teach. Can you teach? And the third one, the word modal is taken from the Latin word mood, which means mental condition. It means different modals are used to denote different mental conditions. For example, I can do it. You must do it. There are clouds in the sky. It means it may rain today. Radha has 100 saris. She need not buy any more. Till tomorrow. Thank you, students. Tomorrow morning we will discuss